Heron Connect's direct pipe technology is a newly developed method for the direct installation of prefabricated pipelines, combining elements and advantages of the both well-established techniques, microtunneling, and horizontal directional drilling. This innovative technology is designed for laying pipelines in all geologies. With the new direct pipe method, developed by Heron Connect, drilling of the borehole and the installation of the pipeline are generally carried out in one step. The pipeline is welded together and tested on site, and thereafter thrusted in its whole length with the aid of the pipe thruster. The following computer animation shows the principal working method and the main components of the direct pipe method, starting with the setup of the launch pit. The pipe thruster is installed in the launch pit, where it is fixed horizontally and vertically onto sheet piles and anchors. If necessary, inflow of groundwater and river water is prevented with special launch seal. The control container is installed next to the launch pit. From there, the operator is able to monitor the pipe moving forward. Additional containers for the preparation and separation of the slurry bentonite are installed in the middle of the prefabricated pipeline. According to its elastic bending radius, the pipeline is laid on rollers for an easy moving to the launch pit. The pipeline is welded to the rear end of the direct pipe machine. Once started, the machine is pushed through the launch seal and starts to excavate the planned alignment. The pipe thruster pushes both the pipeline and the direct pipe machine. It replaces the jacking frame, which is used for standard microtunneling purposes. After the completion of each 5-meter stroke, the clamping inserts are reopened and the 2 cylinders are hydraulically retracted. The whole excavation and thrust process starts again, and the pipeline is advanced cycle by cycle. The 4 clamping inserts of the clamping unit, which are lined with vulcanized rubber, grips the pipeline and thrusts it stroke by stroke into the ground. All bentonite lubrication and soil conveying lines, as well as power supply and navigation cables, are installed inside the pipeline. The direct pipe machine drills along the predetermined alignment below the riverbed. The pushing force required for the drilling operation is transferred to the cutting head by the pipe thruster via the entire pipeline. The excavated material falls through the openings of the cutting head to the bottom of the excavation chamber, where it is removed by the slurry lines to the separation plant. Shortly after reaching the reception pit, the direct pipe machine can be removed from the pipeline and lifted to the surface. The successful world premiere for direct pipe was realized in a 464 meters long crossing of the River Rhine in Worms. Here a protective pipe for a water conduit and electricity cables had to be built. Due to project-specific conditions, like limited space and the tight time schedule, the crossing was realized in sections with approximately 90 meters each. The delivered steel pipes with a single length of approximately 10 meters were welded together into pipe strings and laid out on rollers side by side. The first pipe section is already installed and ready for pipe jacking. After thrusting in the first pipe section, the next pipe section is brought into position and connected by welding onto the first one. The job site team realized maximum advance rates of 90 meters in 24 hours. Breakthrough was achieved only 13 days after the beginning of the construction work, with a vertical deviation of only several millimeters and a horizontal deviation of only some centimeters. The pipe thruster can be used for all pipe diameters ranging between 20 inches and 60 inches by simply changing the clamping inserts. The maximum stroke of its 2 push and pull cylinders is 5 meters, and its operating angle lays between 0 degrees and 15 degrees. the pipe thruster can advance at a maximum speed of 5 meters per minute. Heron Connect provides 2 different models of pipe thrusters: a smaller unit for pipe diameters ranging between 20 inches and 48 inches and a pull force of 500 tons, and a larger one for diameters of 40 inches to 60 inches and a pull force of up to 750 tons. However, in Worms, only 80 tons have been necessary to smoothly push the entire pipeline forward. The advantages of the direct pipe method compared to standard tunneling technologies: one-step installation for prefabricated and tested pipelines, short construction time and consequently economical installation process, appropriate for all ground conditions, appropriate for large pipe diameters, optimum solution with access from one side only, e.g. for sea outfalls, avoiding offshore works. In emergency case, the whole pipeline, including the direct pipe machine, can be retracted. With the development of the innovative direct pipe technology and the pipe thruster, Heron Connect AG offers the possibility of combining and optimizing the 2 well-established tunneling technologies, microtunneling and HDD. The one-step direct pipe method allows pipelines for water, gas, and oil to be laid faster and more safely than ever before. The prefabricated product pipelines can be installed from one access side in a space-saving and eco-friendly way. Direct pipe is an innovative alternative for the pipeline industry.